In which year Uttarakhand was established a separate state? Answer B. 2000. Beside Hindi, which one is the other official language of Uttarakhand? Answer B. Sanskrit. In which district the Jageshwar temple is located? Answer D. Almora. Total number of districts in Uttarakhand? Answer C. 13. What is the literacy rate of Uttarakhand according to 2011 census? Answer C. 79.63%. Which one is the largest district by area wise in Uttarakhand? Answer A. Uttarakashi. Who was the first Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Answer C. Nityanand Swami. Total number of national parks in Uttarakhand? Answer B. 7. In which year the Chipko movement was awarded with the Right Livelihood Award? Answer A. 1987. The devastating flood which is known as Himalayan Tsunami was occurred in the year? Answer C. 2013. Which one is the highest mountain in Uttarakhand? Answer A. Nanda Devi. Which river passed through the Valley of Flowers? Answer D. River Pushpavati. The Char Dham Yatra begins every year in the month of? Answer B. May. At Devprayag, the Bhagirathi river meets with the? Answer C. Alaknanda river. Which city is also known as the yoga capital of the world? Answer D. Rishikesh. According to 2011 census, which district of Uttarakhand has negative population growth rate? Answer B. Almora. Which one of the following is a biosphere reserve in Uttarakhand? Answer D. Nanda Devi. Which lake of Uttarakhand is also known as Mystery Lake? Answer C. Roop Kund. Which one is the largest glacier in Uttarakhand? Answer C. Gangotri Glacier. Which queen is also known as Nakati Rani in Garhwal? Answer B. Karnavati Rani. The Treaty of Sugoli took place in the year? Answer D. 1815. Pinda river joins Alaknanda at? Answer D. Kannaprayag. The Uttarakhand High Court is located at? Answer A. Nainital. Who was the first governor of Uttarakhand? Answer D. Sarjit Singh Barnala. Uttarakhand shares its border with which province of Nepal? Answer B. Sudur Paschim Pradesh. Who was appointed as the first Chief Justice of Uttarakhand? Answer C. Ashok Abhinendra Desai. Who was elected as the first Speaker of Uttarakhand Assembly? Answer A. Prakash Pant. Total number of members in the State Legislative Assembly of Uttarakhand is? Answer C. 70. From which year the state is officially recognized as Uttarakhand instead of Uttaranchal? Answer B. 2007. Uttarakhand Day is celebrated annually every year on. Answer D. 9th November. Which one is declared as state recognized flower of Uttarakhand? Answer A. Brahma Kamal. Which one of the following is known as the Queen of Hills of Uttarakhand? Answer A. Mussoorie. Where is the China Peak situated? Answer D. Nainital. Which of the following countries' boundaries touch the Uttarakhand state? Answer D. Tibet, Nepal. Where is the agriculture universities in Uttarakhand? Answer A. Pantnagar, Nainital. Where is Lansdowne? Answer A. A tourist place. According to area, which is the biggest district in Uttarakhand? Answer B. Chamoli. Where is the tradition of Long and Behla dance in Uttarakhand? Answer A. Garhwal. Previously, what was the name of Uttarakhand? Answer B. Uttarakhand. Where is the minimum rice grown in Uttarakhand? Answer B. Dehradun. Where is the Sarovar Nagari in the state? Answer A. Nainital. At present, who is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Answer B. Narendra Dutt Tiwari. The capital temporary of Uttarakhand is a. Answer A. Dehradun. Maximum female literacy in Uttarakhand is a. Answer B. Dehradun. Which of the following dams is Sundarlal Bahuguna opposing? Answer C. Tehri Dam. The national poet Sumitra Nandan Pant was the resident of a. Answer A. Kosoni Almora. Who availed the longest term of Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh elected from Uttaranchal? Answer C. Govind Ballabh Pant. Where has an IIT and collaboration with IIT Switzerland been opened? Answer B. Nainital. Who is the present Chief Secretary of Uttarakhand? Answer D. I.K. Pandey. Who is the present Chairman of Uttarakhand Public Service Commission? Answer C. M.C. Bhandari.